these meme coins, but now I launched them. And this Phantom wallet, $2.7 million all mine. The method is simple. The results are insane. Stay locked in, I'm showing you how it's done. I used to chase meme coins every day, watching charts, trying to snipe early, hoping for a moonshot, but the truth, I was just exit liquidity for someone else. The people really making money, they're not trading, they're launching. When you launch your own coin, everything flips. You are the one setting the market, you are the first holder, you are the one everyone else is buying from. And if you do it right, with timing, branding, and narrative, it doesn't just work once, it works over and over again. That's why I completely stopped trading. Launching puts you in control, it's repeatable, it's scalable, and in this meme coin meta, it's the only strategy that makes sense. And please bro, please, this video does not constitute financial advice, it's all fake. Do not copy me, cap! Everyone's rushing to Pump.Fun, and that's exactly the problem. It's completely flooded. Hundreds of coins are launching every minute, and most never even get seen. They sit stuck in the unlaunched section with zero traction. And even if you do launch a coin, you don't control anything. Not the liquidity, not the timing, not the chart. And that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io now. It's direct to Raydium, and your coin gets graduated instantly. That means it's immediately live, tradable, and fully visible, and way more likely to get volume right out the gate. You are not just another dev hoping for buys. You are in full control from start to finish, and that's exactly how you profit from these meme coin launches. Now, there's two launch methods on createtokens.io, and both are fast, but one's way more profitable. You'll see. Option 1 is building a coin from scratch. So you pick the meme, go on Twitter and try to find a decent narrative to make a coin on. It could be literally anything. Then choose a name, drop a symbol, and upload a logo that looks good. Click through and your coin is ready to go to the next steps. Option 2 though is my favorite for making money. The copy trending coins tab. It posts coins from Pump.Fun that are already pumping, full of traffic and buyers. Click once and it's live on Raydium with your wallet in full control. Because the hype's already baked in, you get instant buyers and way more profits. You are not launching blindly, you are launching with momentum. Let's stop wasting time. We're launching this coin right now step by step. So connect your wallet, then click on refresh to have all the latest coins, and we're gonna copy the bucket cat coin. Why? It looks really good, and usually cats do well as a meme coin, and it has a $49,000 market cap, which is not bad. Click on create coin, then ignore the warning and go pass through it. Confirm, I understand, confirm, then just wait for a few seconds. Boom! And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where you add liquidity. It's what lets people buy and sell your token on Raydium. Everything is pre-filled, just check the numbers and then under amount token A, click on 90%, and for token B, this is your own SOL being used as the first buy. You are not losing anything. The minimum is 0.3 SOL and you'll get it all back when you remove the liquidity later. Now, obviously, I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL, which is right above minimum. Make sure you have enough, and once again, you are not losing that money. Click on create pool, wait for your phantom wallet to pop up, then click on confirm. When that is done, come right here and click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the bucket cat coin is now live and the profits are at $0. But if we re-click refresh once again, now our profits went up to $139. Now click on view on photon, and boom, the coin is live. Just give it a bit of time for it to load. It might be delayed a bit. That's normal for us. Now right now, all we have to do is just sit back, wait for the chart to go up and the market cap to go up, and just fucking monitor the coin and enjoy all the juicy profits. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. I will be right back in a couple minutes. Enjoy. Okay guys, I'm back. Looks like we're at the $2.5 thousand market cap and $1.3 thousand in liquidity, which means that right now is our cue to take out profits, come back to create tokens.io, and then first of all, you will have to refresh to, check our profits. Okay, looks like we're up $1.4 thousand. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8 to 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you pump and then make a shit ton of money off dumping the coin. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, all the money is there.